Before life, before the dinosaurs, before even the oceans, Earth was nothing but a violent world of fire. But Earth was about to face a collision that would change its history forever. From the debris left behind, the moon began to form. Over time, Earth began to cool. As the planet cooled, water vapor began to condense into clouds. Over millions of years, water gathered across the young planet, forming Earth's first oceans. In these ancient waters, chemistry was becoming more complex. Somewhere in these ancient oceans, the first simple life emerged. For billions of years, simple microbes slowly transformed the planet. Then, oxygen began to transform Earth's atmosphere. With oxygen reshaping the planet, more complex cells eventually emerged. Eventually, some cells began working together as multicellular organisms. Then, life began to diversify at an astonishing pace. Among this diversity, the first vertebrates began to appear. Over time, vertebrates evolved jaws, stronger bodies, and new ways to dominate the oceans. Eventually, some vertebrates began venturing into the shallow waters near land. Over millions of years, fins evolved into limbs, opening a new world on land. Once on land, life began to evolve in an entirely new environment. Then came a crucial innovation: the amniotic egg. Freed from the water, amniotes began to spread into new environments. Then, Earth suffered its greatest mass extinction. But life survived, and slowly, Earth began to recover. Then, Around 230 million years ago, the first dinosaurs appeared. Over millions of years, dinosaurs diversified into many different forms. After the Triassic, dinosaurs entered a new age of dominance. By the late Jurassic, dinosaurs had become giants of an extraordinary world. Then came the Cretaceous epoch, a world of new continents, new ecosystems, and extraordinary dinosaurs. For millions of years, these ecosystems flourished. But far beyond Earth, an asteroid was already on its way. Then, 66 million years ago, everything changed. Dust and soot filled the atmosphere, blocking sunlight across the planet. Without enough sunlight, Earth entered a prolonged impact winter. A cold atmospheric wind blows. As plants died back, the food chain began to collapse. As herbivores disappeared, predators soon faced the same crisis. Across the planet, ecosystems began to unravel. Within a geological instant, the age of the non-avian dinosaurs came to an end. For more than 160 million years, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. Then, in a moment of geological time, their reign came to an end.